Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize your finances as a couple using Google Sheets. Let's start with a quick overview of the budget template. It includes 12 monthly sheets plus one yearly summary sheet. The yearly summary fills itself in automatically, so you don't have to type anything there. It simply gathers all the data from your monthly budgets and gives you a clear picture of your entire year. Now, let's open a monthly sheet. At the top, you'll see the month and year, and on the right-hand side, you'll find your income, expenses, and remaining balance. These numbers update automatically as you fill out the tables below. One of the most important sections is cash flow. This table also updates on its own and shows you the breakdown of income, expenses, bills, debt payments, and savings. On the right side, you'll see current expenses. This table also generates automatically based on the list of daily expenses you'll be entering later. What's really nice is that you can add your own spending categories, and the template will calculate everything for you. That way, you and your partner can clearly see where your money is going. Next, we have the bills section. This is where you record all your recurring payments: rent, utilities, internet, phone, and so on. I recommend also adding subscriptions like Netflix, Spotify, or Disney Plus. Once a bill is paid, you just check it off, which makes it super easy to stay on top of everything. Now let's look at income. This part is especially useful for couples because you can enter each partner's salary separately. For example, one column can be my income and another partner's income. You can also add any side hustles or extra income streams. The template then updates your monthly overview automatically, so you always know how much money is coming in as a household. The savings section is where you track money you set aside, whether that's your emergency fund, vacation fund, or saving up for something like a new laptop. You just add the date, the amount, and the savings category. Everything here feeds into the monthly and yearly summaries, so you can easily see how your savings are growing over time. After that, we have the debt table. Here you can enter all your ongoing obligations like credit cards, student loans, car payments, or a mortgage. Each payment you log reduces the balance, and you can tick it off when paid. This helps you and your partner stay organized and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. All these sections together give you a complete picture of your finances as a couple, from income and savings to bills and debts. It's a really powerful way to plan ahead and stay on the same page with your partner. Now let's check out the current expenses. This is where you log all of your day-to-day spending. Each row has the date, the amount, the category, and any notes. For categories, you can choose things like groceries, entertainment, transportation, personal spending, or household. In the notes column, you can add details like grocery run, date night dinner, or new shoes. Having this list makes it super easy to see exactly where your money is going. And since it's automatically included in the monthly summary, you don't need to do the math yourself. And of course, the template also includes charts. These give you a quick visual overview of your finances. The cash flow chart shows your income versus your main expense categories, comparing planned amounts with actual amounts. Breakdown of current expenses is a pie chart that reveals how much you're spending on groceries, fun, transportation, and other categories. And finally, there's an overall expense breakdown, which shows how your money is split between daily expenses, debt, and savings. Thanks to these visuals, you and your partner can spot trends instantly and make better budgeting decisions together. That's the walkthrough of the couple's budget template in Google Sheets. In the next videos, I'll show you even more tips to customize this budget to your needs. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.